Hey guys, we received this RV trailer camper stabilizer for tested drive. So this is used for labeling or the Scissor jack, 5000 lbs load capacity with the RV Scissor jack. So you can see it comes in a nice pack and a very heavy duty material. It's the adjustable jack stands with a screw mechanism. So maximum 24-inch extension with the handle. So this is the main extension. So this is also very heavy duty material. I can feel it like the weight and everything. So you can see this in total. And then this is easy to use as well with a smooth thread rotation. So here I'm just using this smooth thread rotation just to show. So it's have a multi-hole design for flexible adjustment of mounting position, but I'm just using it in a reverse side just to show in the movement because it is more stable that way. So total capacity is around 5000 lbs and the bow tie base for the added stability. So as I can feel like it's very easy to rotate and it's very smooth as well. So both side like opening it and going it down. This is both have a like a little side. So this is how this looks on the side with the really nice adjustment. So this is like the bottom part and there's a top part on the side and the heavy duty with a nice stabilizing.